Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik, your host. Today's session I will cover how to add virtual machine in VMware Workstation 16 Pro on how to install Windows Server in Workstation, VMware Workstation. As you are aware about that, VMware is a very is a technique which we can utilize our resource. So mostly we are as a IT guy we are suggesting go for virtualization. So guys, I need to create. Well, guys, if you are on first time viewer on my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And now, guys, I need to start. So click on create a new virtual machine, then custom, custom advanced, and click on next. Again, click to next. Again, click to next, and I need to select here Windows Server, Microsoft Windows, which I have selected here. Windows version I have selected. Just click on next. I need to type here assign the. So here I have assigned the new name to my virtual machine. So need to click on next. Need to add it will a location with this and click to next. Again I have selected here UEFI method, which is the boot technique, which is UEFI a new technique, which is and it's very fast as compared to BIOS. Just you need to assign the number of processor. I have assigned the number of processor 2 and the core processor is also 2. Then just click on it's the processor configuration. It depends on their PC configuration or server configuration. Just click on next. I need to assign here 4 GB RAM to this and click to next. I need to select here bridge network. Just click to next and leave as it default. Again default and click to next and create virtual network and store virtual disk in a single file. Yes, I want my virtual machine. This will be in a single store file. Just click on next and click to next and click to customize software. So once I will click to customize software, I need to select my ISO file, which I am using ISO file. Just click on my Windows Server. So I have selected my Windows Server 2019. Just click to finish. Once I have clicked to finish, the new virtual machine will be added here. As you can check over here, there is a new virtual machine is appearing. Just click to power on. Once you will power on the machine, there will be option press any key. I just press the new key. Once you can check over the installation process is started. So installation process is started. You need to wait because it takes some time. It's take little time, guys. As you can check over here, new Windows Server machine is now come to on. Now it's we need to start to installation. So language is this, and I need to just make it the default language. Time and current format you just need to avoid it, or you can change after some time, or you can change here. So I am I am just going for default. Just click on next. Once you will click on next, you need to click on install. Once you will install, it will take some time. It will take some time to required feature will be run. Guys, sometimes I am just pause my video because it takes some time, so it will not bother to you. So guys, you can check over here which operating system I need to select. So here is the two operating system, standard and KMS. So I will use standard and 64-bit. The architecture is 64. Just click on next. Once click on next, it will take also little time, and it will so now here I need to accept my licenses. It's a license terms and condition. It's upon the Microsoft. So just click on next. Once click on next, which type of installation I want to install a fresh installation. I just click on next and click on new. Once I need to click on, just click to apply. Once I will then again apply. it will be assign you complete 90 GB hard disk to this particular C drive. It will, I didn't divide any partition, just make a single partition. So guys, as you can check here, Microsoft divided into multiple partition because it's depend on recovery. If there anything happen to my server, there will be an option to recover. So this is the new partition. Just click on next. Once you will click on next, just click next. Now installation is started. Now guys, I just pause this video to save your time. And so guys, you can check over here. Now my installation is up to finishing. So net need to wait only the moment. Once the installation finish, we will go for the next step. So now the PC will be going to restart. Once the PC will be start, we need to rename the PC, the server, and need to assign the static IP to the and need to assign the static IP. So guys, PC is restarted. So I need to type the password or administrator password. So I am typing administrator password. Once I have typed administrator password, just click on finish. Just click on finish. Once finish is done, it finalize this server setting. So once the finalize the server setting, it will be appear as a default Windows server. So I need to assign the static IP. Need to change the server name, this Windows server name. So you can check over here, I have successfully installed the Windows Server 2009. I need to log in here. Just type your login password. Well, also here I need to type the login password once I have login, and so you can check our administrator welcome. So it's welcome page is coming, and please wait, the user profile services is going on. So it will complete all the things which the server required. So we need to take a patience. Once it's completely started the setup, I need to change the username of that username. If you want to change the username, you can also change, but I think I need to apply to change the system name. Change the system name and assign the static IP, because it's very easy to manage any server to assign static IP to the server. So guys, this check once I have logged into my Windows server, I need to change my this server name. So you need to type sysvm.ppl. Once you will type system.cpl, there will be a pop-up change. So I need to change my computer name of this server name. Just type and just click on here QP ITPLOG. I have mentioned here. It will be asked, if you want to restart this. I want to restart, but first I will set my static IP, then I will going to restart. And I need to also allow the remote connection. So I am here, enable the remote connection. So once, and so I know before I need to also change assign static IP ncpa.cpl. I used to use shortcut key. It's easy. Once we are using shortcut key, it's easy to manage and always easy to take a little time. You can say this and just click on IPv4 version. Just click on properties. Once you will use the following IP address 192, just click on here 192.168.1.1 2. Okay, 3. I have used 3. 192.168.1.1. So leave as it default and click to OK. Once and click to OK, and yeah, now you need to restart your PC. Once PC will be restarted, you can also log in. Use this server as remotely. Click to restart now. Once you will click to restart now, it's restarting. Your PC is restarting. So it will stop all the services. Have patience, it will be once it restart, we will go for further assigning installation. For the installation we will we will use to install active you can say domain controller, DNS and DHCP. So guys, as you can check over here, my PC is restarted. So now I will use to connect from remotely. So remotely command short command mstsc. Just enter mstsc. Enter. You need to type the here IP address or name. So I used to type here IP address. Once I have typed address, it will be asked for the username and password. So I need to type. I need to accept the connection. Just need to type the username and password. Once I have applied the username and password, it will be redirect to the login page. So now you can check over here. Now I am going to log into this server. Once I have login, I need to open server manager. Then need to install what thing I will going to apply here. What was those things I will use here to install DNS domain name system, and what are those things with domain names, domain controller and DHCP. And I need to install for I'm installing in local environment, no local infrastructure. So guys, open the server manager and need to wait. Once the finish server manager is started. So once I have here, I need to add roles and feature. What feature do we require? So as you can check here configure this in local. So yes, I am going to configure in this my local environment, local infrastructure. So just need to click on add feature and role. Once I have clicked on add feature and role, it will be asked to the new before you begin. These are the skip. Yes, skip. Just click on next. And role based feature based or yes installation, it will be role based. Yes, I am going to install as a role based installation. Just click on next. It will be asked to this will be the server will be which I have created QPIT block. This is the IP address and this is the operating system. Just click on next. And what thing I am going to install? I am going to install Active Directory domain services. Yes, I am going to install Active Directory domain service. Just click on that and just check this and add feature. Once you have done, you need to also select DHCP. I will use to dynamic host control protocol. I am used to install this, and also need to install DNS. Yes, I am going to install DNS. And if you want to install like a web server, you can go with that. Currently I am not using used to install this. So 3 things I have selected: Active Directory, which is used to call as a domain controller, and no further, and just click on next. This is all I have selected as a role. Just click on next. And if you want to just here there will be a default group policy. Group policy is very important in domain controller, because apart from group policy, you can control all the user of your local and cloud environment. Just click to next. This is the Azure Active Directory separate online. Just click on it next. Just click on next, and again yes, I am going to install. You should configure list 1 status. I have done. Just click on next, and DNS server. Just click on again next, and now I am going to confirmation. Yes, I am going to install this. So it will take some time to installation. So before we need to hold the moment. So you can check over here, my installation is done. Just need to close this dialog box. Just click on close this dialog box and click to this flag, or you can click to promote domain controller. You can check over here post deployment service configuration. So I need to click on promote this server to domain controller. This I need to promote this server to as a domain controller. Just click on that. Sorry. So guys, as you can check over here, I am going to install as a new domain controller. So add a new forest. Yes, I am going to use as a new forest. I don't have any any forest currently. So I am using qp.local. So just you click on root domain is qp.local. So just click on next. As you are aware about that, forest is a collection of trees, and as you are aware about a tree, the collections. Guys, as you are aware about, the forest is a collection of tree and tree is a collection of domain. So what I have selected here, I have selected forest. Just click and mention the root domain is this qp.local. Just click on next. Once you will click on next, you will ask to the password for the directory service restore mode. Once we anything happen to the server, this password required to restore all the restore the domain control. This password will be required, directory service restore mode. So once we are going to restore, you as you are aware about, we need to start pieces and safe mode. So just going on. I have typed the password of DSRM directory service restore mode. Just click to next. Once click to next, no need to click to check DNS delegation. I'm not going to select it. Just click on next. DNS option I'm not going to select, and DNS and net BIOS name will be appear automatic. It will be appear as a QP local or QP. Just need to wait and click to next. Here you can check here. Now my net BIOS name is domain name is QP. So just click on again next. The additional option. This is the net BIOS domain. These are the additional options. So guys, this is the important part. Here database folder is ntdsware in the C directory Windows, and the local log file where will be the log ntds, and the sys volume folder will be Windows sys volume. Just again you click to next, and this all the overview and review. Just review and click to next. Clicks to next. Now we are going to install this domain controller, and if it will verify all the prerequisites for the domain controller operation. So all the prerequisites is installed successfully passed. Just click to install. Once it will be installed, once a domain controller is installed successfully, just need to close, and you will going to log out. You will going to log out and clear and close this screen, and it will be the PC will be restart, and again need to log in from new domain controller, which will be the our new domain controller, which I have created as a QP. So guys, now I will going to log into the domain controller from remotely desktop connection. Click to yes, and I will land on the administrator portal. So here, as you can check here, QP is my domain controller, administrator is our admin. So here I will use to assign and check whatever services which I have installed, is it correct or no. I need to review it. I will going to review it. So guys, just run the system sysdm .cpl. You can check the current which domain is I am connected. I have connected over here. You can check over here qp.local is domain control which I have connected over here. So guys, you can click on the tools, and if you want to check active directory and users, you can click on active directory and users. It will be come on the format of active users, which I am having active user. So I don't have any active users. So you can check over here. Here there's a new created domain controller is created qp.local. So if you want to create any OU, you can right click over here and select go to the new and create organization new unit. Just click on. So I have creating a new IT department. So I have created here IT department. One more I will create, and I will create a new user to on the same department. So click to again organizational unit HR department. Just click OK and click these two department I have created. So here I need to create user 1, user 1, user 1. Click to user 1, user. Now user can't change the password. So I have created new user to the IT department, HR department. So guys, I will going to know. I told you I have a share about this domain controller, how to install domain controller, how to create user in active directory once you have installed domain controller. So now I will come on to the complete installation of DHCP. Just click on complete installation of DHCP. Just click to next. Once you will click to next, you are the following user credential. Yes, I have the following user credential. Just click to commit and click to close. Once you will click to close, there will be option in tools DHCP. Just click on DHCP. Once you will click on DHCP, you need to create new scope for new scope. So IPv for new. So there is no any new scope. Just click on new scope. Just click on new scope and click to next. Once you the what will be the scope name you can use. So I same use a scope name I am using qp.local. qp I just use find the name qp local. So just click to next, and what will be the started IP address. Enter the DHCP. Enter the what is the range start scope distribute. So I will use same 681 dot from where you want to start. So I will start from 1 to return that scope distribute. So from started I will use from started 80 because I will going to use for 1 to 79 for only 1 to 80 for only servers and other and address that is scope that is distribute. So 192.168.1.250 to till 80 to 250 user will going to get DHCP, and other than 1 to 80 you will not going to get DHCP dynamic. It will not automate. It will be need to assign the IP address statically. Now just click on next. Do you want to exclude it? No, I don't want to because already exclude. I already exclude. Just click on again next, and the days I just make it as a default. Just yes, you want to configure this option. No, yes, I want to configure this option. No. What will be the default gateway? My default gateway is 1. So 1.1. Just click on add 1 and click to next. Service name. What will be the DNS? The DNS I am already having DNS. This is my DNS. Once we are going to install any domain controller, a domain controller is able to install DNS as a default. It will together. The domain controller are once we are not going to select on during the install. We are not going to select a DNS, but it will be auto default installation. Just click to next. And Win server, yes, I will use on also Win server. 168.1.3, same Vim server I will use. Just click to next, and yes, I want to activate this scope. Yes, I want to activate this scope. Just click to finish. Once you will click to finish, you will get here all the scope. These are the scope which I have created here. If any user will going to connect to this DHCP, it will be automatic get their detail, automatic fetch the IP from here. So here you can check started from this. And guys, this is the method to install DHCP and install configure DHCP, to install domain controller, to assign new name to the server, assign new static IP to the server. Guys, if you still having, if you want to configure, if you want, so guys, come on to jump onto the group policy management. Group policy management, the vital role you can say, it's the policy which user wanted to which user want this scope, you can assign the scope to the user. So just click on group policy management. Once you will click on group policy management, so suppose here it will be open as a group policy management. So here this is the group policy management, which side is a domain side, which user, just click on expand this, and you will get all the details over here. So I want to assign a new group policy to this HR department. So I am just creating here GPO group policy, HR group policy object. Just click OK. Once you will click OK, you just need to open, right click and edit this. Just click on edit. It will be open as a new. It will be open in a new pop-up window, new dialog box. Once dialog box will be open, you can check here, new dialog box is open. What kind of policy you want to assign this user? So here I just don't want, suppose in the administrator template, I don't want this user have this control access. Okay, I don't want this user have a control access. Just click on this and click to control and expand this, allow this. I just want to just allow this to this user. Just want to just click on edit. Just click on edit. If I don't want this, just that's one. I don't want the user can access. Just click on disable. Once I will click on disable, user is not able to access my control panel page. So this complete OU users was not able to check the control panel. So this is if you want, this user also cannot access to your network pages. So just you need to click again edit, click to network, click to edit configuration, no, and click to edit. And you also are going to disable this. Once you will disable this DFS client domain, they are not able to access this page. Once they are trying to open, there will be a option. There will be option you are not able to use this service. So guys, and once you have done apply GPO, you need to update. Guys, once you have created a GPO, you need to update group policy. Yes, you need to update the group policy as an administrator. So CMD I need to open command prompt. Guys, my PC is little slow. Just open, I need to wait. I just type here command prompt, then I need to type CMD command. Once I have typed GP update, GP update, the right click and open as a command prompt, right click, run as a admin. Once run as a admin, so here I need to apply group policy to this particular user, not this particular user. I am going to update the complete OU. I am going to update the complete OU to this policy. They are not use whatever the group policy which we are going to apply to the user, it will reflect to the complete OU. If I am going to select only one user, it will only select if that user is belong to the OU. If we have applied the OU group policy, the OU, it will be applied to all OU. GP update so guys, as you can check over here what I have typed. Here I have typed because I log in from administrator, I need to type so guys, if this is the process to update group policies. GP update I have /force. Once the GP update is done, group policy is updated, you don't need to worry. The user is not able to use whatever the restriction going on, and you can also use GP update. So guys, I have covered in this how to create virtual machine, how to install Windows Server 2019, how to install domain controller, how to install DHCP, and default installation DNS, how to update a group policy, how to create group policy, how to create OU. So guys, if you are having any kinds of doubts, you can ping me on my YouTube channel IT blog. My YouTube channel is IT blogger Bihari, and my web page is querypanel.com. guys, if you like this video, please like. If you love this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.